So my husband built this huge chicken coop for the chickens that have no space in a small chicken coop. And this is not finished yet. And this is the space they chose.
Yeah,
they chose
think that's the highest, Bruce. This is the lowest. Right down here.
turkeys.
This is...
They need to go.
This...
Okay, Sophia is bringing more chicks. Okay, let's see where these go.
I'm gonna put this one here. Those are gonna have to come down a little bit up there.
Do you think it's gonna be safe for them
Yes.
at night?
They live in trees.
Okay, this is a huge hotel, chicken hotel. It can host 100 chickens. More chicken is coming. Is there more, Sophia?
Yeah, there's more.
Yeah, good. Turkeys. Come up, higher, higher. That's so funny. You catch it? Let me see that chicken. Oh, Rhode Island Red. Okay, go put it in the chicken hotel.